Good afternoon. My name is Sayed Mohsin Ali. This is my reflection video for our project African Think Tank web application. Our project start on 22nd March 2021 and ends on 8th of the October 2021. Uh, First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Bilal and our supervisor who helped us to develop the project. And here we have the client details. The clients belongs to from Melbourne. It's a African thing, African community, and we have created a web application for them. I did contribute in development part as a front end developer of the website, and I have also done the software testing for the whole our web application. And in the documentation part, I have done the from the start of the project uh, till roadmap to the write up. I have done all the parts of the project, which includes ERD diagrams and sequence diagrams as well. For the front end part, I did the change password, CMS panel, contact us, terms and condition, and privacy policy. These are all from CMS part of the our web application. There are two front end. There are two parts. Where first is CMS part, and second is the user part. And the backend. The development I did most of it belongs to CMS part of the web application. First of all, I will justify my work about change password. I have designed static and dynamic pages. The pages of change password. This is the change password where the admin can change the password after the successful login, and it will also validate the uh, type of the password and also verify the with the old password that it's whether you are inserted correct password or not. I have created the methods which help the backend data. This is the page that I have developed as a part of the CMS. The login uh, page contain email ID and password. Once admin put his credential, after that he is able to change the password. Over here, HTTP request, we have the HTTP request, and over here we have URL constants. Now I have navigation purpose. Uh, Over here we have using the import material URL libraries, and we applied CSS on change password. Uh, yeah, over here. And we have here we have changed password box, and we have we type the old and new password. We have used change password function. We have used Axios for the API call, and we use material design for front end. We have used three text fields and one circle progress bar for the front end. We validate function for password validation, and we have applied CSS cascading style sheet on the password change box. Once you need to enter your email ID and password. Yeah, then you can change the password from here. Changing the password. One and PASSWORD1, and it's changed. Now I am again login with a new password. Yeah, it gave me to the login page. Moving on, I have the contact us section from the admin panel. CMS part, it's belongs to CMS part. Here JS file for the contact us, and the styling I'm using in the coding, and variables used in the text fields. And the page is loaded after the response setting to the text fields. Save information, and save contact information. This information is along with privacy policy and terms and condition. Uh, it shows into the footer part. So here we have used the contact us API, where we get the data and set to the text fields. If we want to edit and modify the data, we have to click on save button. There we have a save button. Upon saving data, if the request was successful, then we will show the snack bar, which is basically alert box, appear on the screen. Contact us. This all data that I have entered. Once I click on save button, it will show a snack bar like over here. Now we move to the about us section that I have created in the CMS part. This is the main function that we are using. Here are the state variables, and after setting URL to show image on the screen, and manage text and image display on the screen, and image will be displayed below the banner in the home page application of the application. And change image, and here we have save button and upload image. And we overall we are saving the text from the text area. Then we can also change image from the right side of the screen, and image is uploaded on the server. We will get the URL and display it to the screen. And we have used get data about us function to get data and populate the form. And on saving data, it will go to the API. We have used CSS styling for the page. From here, I can change the image. Like I am using this image now. And I am typing more keywords and uploading this image and save. And it will show again a snack bar. And yeah, the data is appear over here on our main landing page. In the privacy policy, uh, in the now I am on the privacy policy. Here the variables are defined, and the page is uploaded, checking the URL and getting privacy policy. We have text area for privacy policy section. We have entered our privacy policy, and it will appear on the privacy policy page. I'm sure I will do the privacy policy, as I have write down some privacy policy before here. Now I am going to remove this part and will save. it will show again snack bar that data is saved successful. And once I click on privacy policy, all the data will show over here. And a part of this, I have also done the software testing. As we know, testing is the validation. Testing validates and verifies the software is working fine or not as per working with a real client. Our application should be working fine. I have performed testing. So for this purpose, I have write down 103 test cases and 103 test cases for our web application. And sometimes there are few test cases failure that we have fixed after discussion with the client, and the problem was ruled out. And these are all test cases are done by me alone. After the testing, I will show you the diagrams as the part of the documentation that I have created during my sprint. And here is our work. Here is our weekly journal that we are submitting, which shows that I am the part of the team in all areas, and I work with the team in all fields. And I have created the CMS panel, and I will also show as a proof of evidence that I work in each sprint. These are the user stories. Change password and logout are assigned to me first. After that, I worked on CMS part, contract us, terms and condition and privacy policy. And after that, I have worked in the I spent most of the time in testing and documentation part, where I have documented the report part as well. I have completed 50 to 60% of the report. And from the these are the sequence diagram that I have created during the during my work in the degree. I will just explain it shortly. From it's a contact terms and condition. In the terms and conditions section, the admin will add the text information. From here, he can save the data into the database, and from the data, once the data is saved into the database, admin can see the image text information. Moving on. This is the report, final report that I have participated in the report write-up as well, where I have write down most of the like 50 to 60% of the report with the word count of 4,253. I have hands on the project write-up. I am responsible for the write-up, like 50 to 60%. I have review all the document as well. I have learned how to write the technical technical things for the project. I have learned the agile methodology, and we use the agile methodology for our project. I have learned software testing from my previous subjects. Software, I have applied those techniques on it. And from the comparative programming languages, I have used the different languages like Bootstrap, CSS, MySQL, and JavaScript, where I am able to develop the front end of the our application. I have learned and the programming skills, development skills, and project management skills. I have also learned the communication and working in a team, and we have followed the agile methodology. There are several, these are the tasks are done by me, but as a project, we have done it all together, and without teamwork, we are unable to do the project. Thank you.